Stop saying very good. You can use these alternatives instead. It's terrific.
It's terrific.
Splendid.
Splendid.
You can also say it's lit.
Is it lit?
It's a spoken English word, so don't use it in essays. But in America, it is widely used by young people. Outstanding. Your teaching methods are outstanding.
Teaching evals are outstanding.
Excellent. Miami is an excellent place to have a holiday.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Brilliant. Your speech is brilliant.
He's absolutely brilliant!
Wonderful. There are many wonderful places to do sightseeing in America.
That is wonderful news. That's wonderful.
Yes.
I hope you guys found this video helpful and give it a like. Ciao.